Done.
Hi guys, we are making soya curd today. That's a vegan option of having curd. So we are using Sofit soya milk. It's sugar free and it's completely soya. Just pour the milk in the vessel. Switch on your induction. And boil your milk on a medium flame and keep on stirring all the time so that your milk won't stick onto the bottom. But make sure you don't use whisk while stirring it, because if you use whisk, then there will be a bubble formation on top of it that will give you a very bad appearance of the curd when it is get set. We will boil it completely the same way we boil our regular milk. But do remember to stir it all the time. प्रोडक्ट के अंदर लेकर के आना. As you can see, this milk is coming to boil. Okay, as you can see, this milk is boiled now. Now you have to transfer this milk into another vessel. And now you have to cool it down. For cooling, we have made a ice bath. And you have to cool it till it reaches to temperature 38 degrees.
आपके जर्नी
This is a rapid way of cooling the milk by putting it on top of the ice bath. You can leave it into the room as well. If you don't want to wait, same like me, you can cool it by putting it on top of the ice bath. Get me an infrared thermometer from there.
ऊपर ही पड़ा सुबह.
take it out. If you don't have thermometer at your home, still there is no problem. You can check the temperature by putting your fingers therein. If you feel like it's hurting your fingers, it is hot. But if the temperature is cooling, you can put your hands there inside. It means it's not hot. Okay, so it should not be cold and it should not be hot, so that your fingers will be burning there inside. Okay, now the temperature is perfect. As you can see, the temperature of the milk is 38 degrees. Okay, so now this is the right time to put your culture therein. To add the culture, what you have to do, you have to take some portion out of this, like for a liter of soya milk, I am using this much, 2.5 to 3 spoons of culture. I'll mix it thoroughly here.
वो बड़े पीछे
Okay. Now I'm gonna pour this inside this. I'll take some of the portion right here and mix with it. And add it. Mix the culture properly. There are some of the tips which you have to take care of. That's it. That's it. This bowl needs to be warm, of the same temperature of your milk at the moment. So for this, what you have to do, you have to like wash it into a hot water. Do a warm to make it warm. Just to get the bowls onto the right temperature. Like if you use these cold bowls, then you will be playing with the temperature, setting temperature of the curd. So you have to make it warm. So always take precautions. It should not be too hot.
बाय
Now your bowl have reached the right temperature. I am again telling you, don't ever use a whisk to mix the culture and to stir the milk while it is getting boiled. Otherwise you will have bubbles on top of it, which will give you a bad texture of the curd after getting it set. Okay, you have to pour it into the bowl like this. Now one more thing which you have to always take care of, you have to wrap them with a cling film, or you can cover it with the use of a lid. Should not be set open, otherwise you will get a film on top of the curd. And this will help to retain the temperature inside the bowl for a while. these are wrapped. You have to keep these bowls into a controlled temperature of approximately like 27-28 degrees, not below that in air conditioning. Otherwise, this curd will take a very long time and you won't get the proper texture and a proper taste. The better place to keep these bowls for setting is your microwave oven. Just put these bowls inside the microwave oven and close the lid. That's it. And you have to leave it for approximately 5 to 6 hours and your curd will be set. Okay, we will meet in some time when the curd will get set. Thank you so much. Okay guys, now 5 hours has passed and our curd is almost set now. See the consistency of the curd. By wrapping this, you won't find any sort of film on top of it. Now see the consistency of the curd. This would be the consistency. Okay, so good. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching my video.